Good morning, class 10. From today we will start new exercise. Okay, exercise 1B. Fill in the blanks. When the goods services are sold for rupees 15,000 under intrastate transaction from station A to station B. That means station A and station B are in same state. Intrastate. Okay, they belongs to same state and the rate of GST is 12%. So station A is selling goods and services to station B at 15,000 rupees 15,000. So this is the selling price for station A and this is the cost price for station B and the GST is 12%. First question is you have to find selling price at station A, which is 15,000. CGST is 6% of 15,000. SGST 6% of 15,000. Then cost price at station B will be 15,000. Okay. Then if profit is rupees 5,000, then selling price at station B. Since at station B cost price is 15,000, now profit is 5,000. So 5,000 you have to add here. Then it will become 20,000. So 20,000 is the selling price at station B. Then now the same goods services are moved under interstate transaction from station B to station C. That means they are in different state. Okay, so here IGST is applicable and the tax is 12%. So you have to find GST. So GST will be 12% of 20,000 because for station C cost price is 12,000. So cost price at station C is not 12,000, 20,000. Okay, 12% of 20,000. So cost price at station C will be 20,000. So here is the process. Okay, everything is written here. Calculation is done. So you can find. Next is question number 2. Goods services are sold from Agra, UP to Kanpur, UP. Both are in same state. That means intrastate. For 20,000. So this is the selling price for Agra and cost price for Kanpur. And then from Kanpur to Jaipur, Rajasthan. If the rate of GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is 5,000. Find the net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. Number 1 question. Number 2, the cost of goods services at Jaipur. First you make this format. First Agra to Kanpur, Kanpur to Jaipur. Agra is selling at 20,000, Kanpur is buying at 20,000. Now Kanpur will keep 5,000 profit. Then the dealer at Kanpur will sell at 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000. So this is the selling price for Kanpur but cost price for Jaipur. So we have to find net GST payable by the dealer at Kanpur. So only for Kanpur cost price is 20,000, selling price is 25,000. Okay, to find the net GST, first we have to find tax on CP and tax on SP. So GST on CP. Cost price. Okay, this is intrastate, so here two GST are applicable, CGST and SGST. So instead of finding them individually, okay, I found here like totally. Okay, so 18% of 20,000 instead of finding 9% of CGST and 9% of SGST and adding. So instead of doing that long method, I am doing your shortcut 18% of 20,000. So which is 3,600. So this is called input tax. GST on CP, input tax. Then GST on SP. See here, now the dealer at Kanpur is selling to another state. So here it will be IGST. So IGST is 18% of 25,000. This is called GST on SP is called output tax. So this is 4,500. So net GST is output tax minus input tax. This is formula for net GST. So 4,500 minus 3,600, 900. So this is the net GST payable by dealer at Kanpur. Next is you have to find the total cost at Jaipur. Okay, so for Jaipur cost price is only 25,000, only cost price, but he has to pay tax also, no, tax of 4,500. Since IGST is 4,500, so 4,500 he has to pay. So total cost price 29,500. Next question number 3. Goods services are sold from Kota, Rajasthan to Mumbai, different state, interstate, for rupees 20,000, and then from Mumbai to Pune. Mumbai and Pune, they are in same state, Maharashtra. So this is intrastate. If the rate of GST is 12% and the profit made at Mumbai is 5,000. Find the net GST paid at Pune. If the dealer at Pune is the end user, first you read question, then you just make this format. Okay, first Kota, Rajasthan to Mumbai, Mumbai to Pune. So dealer at Rajasthan, Kota is selling at 20,000. So this is the selling price for Kota, cost price for Mumbai. Then Mumbai, dealer at Mumbai keeping profit 5,000. Okay, then he is selling to Pune. So at 25,000 the dealer at Mumbai will sell. So this is the selling price for Mumbai, cost price for Pune. So you have to find the net GST paid by the Pune. So Pune, the dealer at Pune is the end user. Okay, so here we will not get output GST because he is not selling. No, we will get only input GST. So GST paid by the dealer at Pune is input tax. Okay, so I'm finding here directly CGST plus SGST 12% of rupees 25,000. So 12 by 100 into 25,000 is 3,000. Since Pune and Mumbai, no transaction is between Pune and Mumbai, so this is intrastate. That's why CGST and SGST, which is 3,000. So net GST paid at Pune is 3,000. Since we don't have output tax, so we don't have to subtract. Next is question number 4. A is a dealer in Banaras, UP. He supplies goods services worth rupees 8,000 to a dealer B in Agra, which is in UP. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods services to dealer C in Patna at a profit of 12,000. Find the input and output taxes for the dealer C under GST system if the rate of GST is 18% and C does not sell his goods services further. First we will make format A to B, B to C. A is in UP, B is in UP, but C is in Bihar. So A is selling at 8,000, B is buying at 8,000, but B is keeping profit of 1,200. So at the price of 9,200, the dealer at B is selling to C. So here we have to find input and output tax for C. Okay, for C, cost price is 9,200, selling price is 0 since he is not selling. So GST paid by the dealer C in Patna, Bihar. IGST, because this is interstate, B to C interstate, so IGST 18% of 9,200 is 1,656. So input tax is 1,656, output tax is 0 because he does not sell goods services.